What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on my 2021 Silverado Custom. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some simple mods. And you're looking at two of them right now I'm going to be doing to change your truck, to change the look of your vehicle. I don't know if you guys see my snowman on the ground in the back, but we're going to be changing this out, making it match the color scheme I'm going with the car. And we're also going to be putting red lettering in here. The theme I'm going with this truck is a black and red, so the silver and chrome has to go. Also, I'm going to be doing the same thing back here with the Chevy here too, putting in some lettering, getting that theme going. All right, guys, let me get everything prepped up and I'll show you guys the next step. As you can see, what I've done was tape it off, and I put a marker here. And the way I did that, because it's going to show me where the beginning of the 4x4 is going to start there, and tape will help me line it up once I get going. Guys, one thing I want to show you about black vehicle is scratches. This come from the dealership this way. I don't know if it came from the film, from the whole thing, but I'm gonna try to see. I got some special concoction I'm gonna try on it once I get this sticker off and see if that'll come off. But they did the same thing on the other side, guys, so let's get started. All right, I'm not sure if you guys ever did this before. I have little fingernails, and you want to get it started. You know, oh man, I'm ruining my signs. But the one I want to put on is gonna make me even happier. So let me get this started and I'll show you guys how easy it comes off. Alright, guys, I don't know if you guys can see my 99-cent hair dryer I got from Goodwill. So that's what I'm using to heat up this sticker. The last time I took one off was been years ago, and it was on an older truck, and it came right off. So I'm gonna try heating up this end here and pulling it off. It's the bad thing, I can't do it and hold the phone at the same time. So let me get this going. If I can get it pulled off, I'll let you guys see how it looks. Alright guys, this is working. Alright guys, after I heated it up, it started peeling right off. And shoot man, I did pretty good. Heating that up is the way to go. Still got my lines. Now I'm going to show you what I use to get the sticky stuff off of there. Alright guys, what you do, you spray this bug and tar remover on whenever you're trying to get off. Some adhesive here. You let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute. Let it seep in, then you wipe it off. I've had it on. I've already been wiping a little bit, but now I'm just letting it sit, penetrate. And as you can see, it's coming right off. I'll do this step a couple more times. Let it stay on, penetrate, until all of it comes off. I'm working on this side. I said I might as well go ahead and alcohol this side down too. This wind is crazy, guys. Sorry if it is. While I was on this side, I decided to go ahead and alcohol this side down. Kill two birds with one stone. I'm gonna let the alcohol sit a little bit, dry up. Then I'm gonna apply the 4x4 sticker first, then do these while I'm here. All right, guys. That's what I'm saying here. You get it on and you just start taking your backet off. I'm rubbing the rest down. Once you get this started right, everything else will fall into place. So you got to get your start right. These 4x4 stickers are a little bit shorter than the ones that were on there, but I'm okay with that. I'm more worried about the color scheme than I am anything about it. I'll press it down a little bit. Get your tape here and see that film there? That's what they did. They must be had one that came all the way over and didn't get it off. But just like that, guys. And I'm gonna get my bug stuff and get that off. We got a new truck. All right, on to the next. All right, guys, these are the letters. And just like the last thing we just did is a backing on it. So you have to get it peeled off and just see them right in there. So let me get started and I'll show you what it looks like. The finished product, I like that already. Like I told you guys, my theme anyway for this truck is gonna be red and black, and I'm halfway there. I like the way the letterings come out. They're a little cheaply made, if that's a word, but I think they'll last long. I don't think they were that expensive. I'll show you guys here on the screen. But these here are here to stay. They're here to stay. Looks good. Looks good. I think that's a step up from what was on there. All right, guys. That's the end of this video. I'm gonna do the other letters on another video. It's about to rain, I think. It's looking like it. But don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time.